Look at the camera.
Kaden, there you are. Hi.
There's a boy in here. Did you know that? A little boy in here. Come on, grab my hand. Wow.
He came out.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey, Kaden, how do you feel? Tell the camera, how was that? Was that fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna go jumping again?
No.
Go jump in the
jump in them
leaves
again.
one more time. Go jump in them. 1, 2, 3, run, jump.
Jump. Wow.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Oh!
He's escaping.
Oh, you almost lost your glove.
Say happy fall.